This year marks a remarkable 4 decades since movie smash Annie first danced onto screens. As well as host of amazing songs, including Hard Knock Life and Tomorrow, it assembled a supremely talented cast. But while the film, about a singing orphan taken in by America's richest man, might be showing its age, many of its stars really aren't. Here we take a look at what they did after the film, and what they look like now. 5. Aileen in the film, left, and on a Hollywood red carpet this month. Credit, Alamy/Rex. Annie, Aileen Quinn. She was 9 when she played Annie Bennett Warbucks, but Aileen Quinn is now 50. The child actress bagged the movie role after impressing bosses with her portrayal of the adorable orphan on stage. While the studio kept her under contract to make more movies, they were never materialized. She went to star in other things. Aileen was Princess Zora in The Frog Prince, but then went back to school, going to university and even studying Shakespeare in London. The star is now a theater professor, has her own band and even popped up in Hollywood to celebrate 40 years of E.T. earlier this month. 5. Telly-legend Carol Burnett made the role of Miss Hannigan her own. Credit, Alamy/AFP/Getty. Miss Hannigan, Carol Burnett. Carol, now 89, was already a star in America when she bagged the role of the evil Miss Hannigan. She joined the cast as the boozy orphanage manager on the back of more than 200 episodes of her long-running sketch show in the U.S. The actress has kept working steadily despite her advanced years, appearing in everything from Desperate Housewives to Glee. Carol even popped up as the voice of one of Bonnie's toys in Toy Story 4 and is considered such a prolific performer she had a Golden Globe Award named in her honor. 5. Tom Curry appeared in the film as Daniel Rooster Hannigan. Credit, Alamy/Getty. Rooster, Tim Curry. Acting legend Tim Curry, 76, played con man Rooster, Miss Hannigan's younger brother, who plots to kidnap Annie. It was a typically wacky character for the star, who played Frank Infurter in the Rocky Horror Picture Show before the film, and the chilling clown Pennywise in it afterwards. Britt Dim, who has lived in America since the 80s, suffered a stroke in 2012, meaning much of his work has shifted to voice acting. 5. Tony Angisandi played Annie's little sister Molly in the film. Molly, Tony Angisandi. Now 47, Tony played the role of Molly, who is the surrogate younger sister, and fellow orphan, of Annie. She has such fond memories on appearing in the film that she even named her eldest child Molly after the character. The actress has also put her musical talents showcased in the movie to good use, performing at weddings and funerals. 5. Daddy Warbucks star Albert Finney sadly died in 2019. Credit, Alamy/Getty. Daddy Warbucks, Albert Finney. Albert Finney, who died in 2019, had such a glittering career that Annie wasn't even one of his most famous films. He bagged the part of Oliver Daddy Warbucks, the billionaire who adopts Annie as his daughter, ahead of Sean Connery and Cary Grant, who were both also considered. The star picked up Oscar nominations no fewer than 5 times for Tom Jones, Murder on the Orient Express, The Dresser, Under the Volcano, and 2001's Erin Brockovich. The English actor died aged 82 back in 2019. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.